and welcome to this video on the power of visualization in achieving your goals. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you achieve your goals by creating a mental image of what you want to achieve. In this video, we'll explore what visualization is, how it works, and how you can use it to achieve your goals. What is visualization? Visualization is the process of creating a mental image of something you want to achieve. It's a technique used by athletes, performers, and successful people to help them achieve their goals. Visualization works by activating the same parts of the brain that are activated when you actually perform the task. How does visualization work? Visualization works by creating a mental image of what you want to achieve. By visualizing your goals, you create a mental blueprint that your brain can use to achieve those goals. When you visualize your goals, you activate the same neural pathways in your brain that are activated when you actually perform the task. This helps you to develop the skills, confidence, and motivation you need to achieve your goals. How to use visualization to achieve your goals. To use visualization to achieve your goals, follow these steps. 1. Define your goal. Start by defining your goal clearly. Write it down and make it specific. 2. Create a mental image. Close your eyes and create a mental image of yourself achieving your goal. Visualize the details of what you want to achieve. 3. Engage your senses. Engage all your senses while visualizing your goal. Visualize the sights, sounds, smells, and feelings associated with achieving your goal. 4. Repeat the visualization process daily until you achieve your goal. The more you visualize, the more you train your brain to achieve your goal. Examples of visualization techniques. Here are some examples of visualization techniques. 1. Guided visualization. Use pre-recorded audio tracks or guided visualization exercises to help you visualize your goals. 2. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your visualization. Repeat positive statements to yourself like "I am successful" or "I can achieve my goals." 3. Vision board. Create a visual representation of your goal by creating a vision board. This involves cutting out pictures and words that represent your goal and pasting them onto a board. 4. Role-playing. Practice role-playing by visualizing yourself in situations where you need to use the skills you want to develop. Benefits of visualization. There are several benefits of visualization, including increased motivation and confidence, improved focus and concentration, enhanced performance, reduced stress and anxiety, greater clarity and understanding of your goals. In conclusion, visualization is a powerful technique that can help you achieve your goals by creating a mental image of what you want to achieve. By following the steps we discussed in this video and using visualization techniques, you can train your brain to achieve your goals and experience the benefits of visualization. So, start visualizing your goals today and watch your dreams become a reality. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, and as a thank you to our loyal subscribers, we'll be hosting a special giveaway if we reach 10K subscribers by the end of this month. So, let's work together and make it happen. Thank you for watching.